In today's video, we're going to give you an entire comprehensive guide to the cost of living in Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to go through our apartment, we're going to go through our gym, we're going to go through transportation, salaries, jobs. So if you're looking to move to Thailand or you're currently living in Thailand and you're looking to lower your cost of living, this video is for you. But before we get into our apartment, we need to go to Makro, which is a grocery store here, to pick up some food. So let's go.
All right, let's get going.
So, first things first, transportation in Thailand. The best way to get around is on a scooter. However, there are many other ways. There's public transportation, there's taxis, you can rent a car, you can buy a car, you can rent a scooter, or you can do what we did, which was buy a scooter. So my Scoopy I bought on Facebook Marketplace for 17,900 baht, and I got it delivered to my apartment, which was really nice. And I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I'm super happy with it. It runs great. She does struggle to start at times, but that's okay. I'm happy with it.
Mine was 18.5 for my little 125cc Grom. And to be honest, it's a blast. It's such a fun little bike. It's small and nimble. Doesn't have a lot of power, only 4 gears. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. And if you pay like 1,000 baht, they deliver.
So the scooters were definitely an investment to our freedom. Getting around Bangkok without a scooter is pretty tough. Like getting to work, I was taking a taxi every day, and I had a driver actually, and he would take me for 150 baht just one way. So it was coming out to be 300 baht a day, which ended up being 6,000 baht a month. So it was becoming a lot. So when we were living at the base, you can check out that video in the card somewhere up here, I don't know, somewhere. When we were living there and we were commuting to work every day, we both rented bikes from a place called Bubbles.
They have the best prices. Bubble scooter rentals. It was 2,000 baht a month for just a normal Honda Click, which is a good bike. It's perfect for the city. It's small, nimble, and it has enough power.
We will put her information in the description below. She delivered even though her shop is super far away.
2,000 baht, 2,500 can get you one of the Yamaha Aeroxes. It's a 155, it has more power if you're gonna have someone on the back. Our friends Jason and Jade have one. Jason's always driving and Jade is on the back. So they rent an Aerox. It's a nice bike. Way better suspension, bigger wheels for if it's rainy season.
Renting is a really good option because you'd never know. I mean, now that I own this bike, if we want to just get up and go at any time, I'm gonna have to, you know, figure out how to sell this thing. And so it's definitely an asset that now I have to worry about, but it's also our ticket to freedom on our weekends and a much cheaper way to get to work. As you can tell, Gustav and I do not live right in the heart of Bangkok. We don't live in downtown Bangkok. We actually live outside of Bangkok, and that is on purpose. We don't want to live right in the middle of the city. We wanted to live more on the outskirts, and also we want to be close to our school. Some people live whoa, somebody was chefing up something on the side of the road and the pepper got into my throat. Some people choose to live in the city and work outside of the city, but we wanted to live close to our job. Hello. If you choose to get a scooter, you have to know the roads, you have to practice, you have to drive safe. Gas here, it's kind of hard because obviously that would be two different conversions. It's about 150 a week for me, 150 baht a week to fill up my tank. So in terms of other public transportation, as you can see up here, they're building a BTS on this road. It's not currently built, but if you do want to live in the heart of the city, you want to live in Bangkok, you can easily get around on the BTS for not too expensive. The BTS is a little bit like pricier than taking a bus. The buses are super cheap, starting from like 8 baht to 40 baht, whereas the BTS will always be more than 30 baht, and depending on how far you need to go, can go up from there. But it's still pretty cheap in terms of public transportation. There's a bus coming now. Oy, it's coming fast. So yeah, many options. Taxi being the most expensive, and you can take a normal taxi like this guy here, Taxi Meter, or you can use apps like Grab or Bolt.
And coming up on the left 600 meters is Makro. Woo! Right, so we just find some parking.
So we're at Makro. We are not going to do an entire review of Makro because we actually already have that video. Check it in the cards up here. It will give you an entire month's grocery haul that we typically get each month. But for now, let's just go grab a few things that we need for the next couple weeks. The total came out to be 2,700 baht, and we got tons of chicken, wraps, strawberries, frozen veggies, everything that we eat on a day-to-day basis.
Bananas back there.
Want some bananas? Sawadika. So this is actually the road that we take to get home from the gym. We will show you the gym later on in this video, but this is the lovely walk that we get to take home. And like you just saw, it's so nice living here in Thailand. There's so many people that just sell whatever they grow in their backyard. They'll just sell it. So it's super easy to pick up fresh produce like that, and pretty much almost like once a week, every couple days, we pick up some fresh produce on our way home from the gym. And this is a little motorbike path. So we're just gonna go up, unload some groceries, and then we will show you our apartment. I wanted to show you this because this is the reality of living in Thailand. You cannot drink out of the tap, so you have to get filtered water, just coins. I think it's about 1 baht for 1 liter. So we just bring our coins down and fill up some water. So we have our water, we got our groceries, and now it's time for our apartment tour. So let's show you around. Here it is, the humble abode. First things first, our apartment is in a hotel. So it's pretty much like a hotel room. So you have to put the key card in to get your electricity. So this is our kitchen. It's very small, way smaller than our kitchen at the base. And it did not come with any burners. We had to buy this induction stove. And this is the only space that we have for our pantry foods. Clearly we love coffee. So there's not much space, to be honest. The kitchen is really, really small, but this apartment is cheaper than the base, which was our previous apartment. So that apartment was 14,000 baht, and this apartment is 12,000 baht. And we have a smaller fridge as well, but it's enough space for us. Next is our bathroom. The bathroom is very much like a hotel bathroom, not much space. So this is all the space that I have for my beauty products and such. But yeah, so I pretty much live out of this too. That's just the way it is right now. And the shower is fine. It does have 2 modes. It's perfect for what we need right now, you know. Here is the water that we just got. Gustav's things. So at the base, we just used our phone as our Wi-Fi, which probably wasn't the best for our phone's batteries. So we decided to go for some Wi-Fi now. And this Wi-Fi is 600 baht a month. Here in Thailand, they go off of contracts for your Wi-Fi. So if you install it for a 12-month contract, they will do it for free. And then it's 600 baht a month. Our TV, pretty basic. This is our couch. This apartment does come fully furnished, so that's really nice because we don't want to buy furniture here. And this is our storage space. Unfortunately, there's not a door like Harry Potter, but so this is where Gustav keeps all his clothes. Okay, and over here, we actually rearranged this a little bit. This was like facing this way, but I decided that I'm gonna be sitting here at this desk a lot editing videos. So we moved it to here so we can have a view. And the view is of another building, but over there we do have, you know, a view of the outskirts of Bangkok. Yeah, this is our creative space, I would say. And this is all our camera gear, which is getting a little bit out of hand, but that's okay. This room does come with a balcony. So we have a balcony with our laundry machine on it, which I really like. So this is really nice. Just do the laundry, hang it up here, and it dries. And I mean, it's Thailand, so your clothes are a little bit muggy all the time, but nothing you can do about that. And it is a loft style apartment. So our bedroom is up here. Nothing too crazy, but this is exactly what we need. Just a queen size bed, and it does have a safe. See, it's very much like a hotel. This is our storage for clothes. This is what it looks like. It's big enough. There's more space here and some drawers and stuff. Oh.
Nice.
At the base, the bedding came with, but here we had to purchase our bedding, so we had to go over to the mall and buy some, which was struggle. So this apartment is 12,000 baht. Our electricity month to month is typically around 1,200 baht, and our water is about 50 to 80 baht. It's really, really cheap. We pay for our Wi-Fi, which is 600 baht, and then, like we said, we have to get our water from down below, but that's about 1 baht for a liter. So that is your expenses here at this building, and we will show you the pool and the gym that is upstairs. The gym we actually don't use, but we use the pool every single day, so we will show you that coming up.
Well, this is our gym, and it's included in your rental price. The view is crazy, like, just look at that skyline. On a clear day, it's less foggy, and you can see like all the high rises. Pretty sweet. The weights go up to 50 pounds, which is less than 25 kgs. But you can do a good workout just with the up to 25 kg. So this is just like, I want to say a communal garden, but it's not a garden.
And we jump in the pool every day, and we enjoy it, and life is all good. We can see the entire city in the background.
One of the hobbies we have, the two of us, is we like archery. So the price for archery, if you have your own bow, is 100 baht for the whole day. And then if you do not have your own bow, it's like 300 baht with equipment included. So that's quite fun. Other hobbies of ours, going to the gym, of course. We go to the gym about 3 or 4 times a week. The gyms in Thailand are quite expensive, so that's about 1,600 baht a month. But our gym is a 24-hour gym, so you can go at any time. We did some go-karting the other day. That was, I think, 600 baht for 15 minutes. But it was electric go-karts. It was really fun. That was awesome. I really enjoyed it. Kate will link the video up somewhere around there. Oh yeah, we really enjoy wakeboarding. We've gone a couple of times. I can proudly say that I can go around, like around. I can't do crazy flips or anything, but that's about 400 baht for wakeboarding, equipment included. So it's 400 baht for the whole day. There's a beautiful lake and delicious Thai food and a cafe you can go to and all. It's really fun. So we go for a massage about once a month. And it's 300 baht for Thai massage and 400 baht usually for oil massage. I go for the oil massage. Kate sometimes goes for the Thai massage. The oil is way better in my opinion. The Thai massage is sometimes a bit rough and hard. Alcohol, I would say, we probably drink like 3 beers a week on weekends. And a beer is about 53 to 76 baht for a big beer, for a cap. We would get a pizza maybe once a month for like takeaways. And pizza is about 200 to 300 baht a pizza, but go for the 300 baht pizza and then it's better. So it's a 600 baht a month for the two of us, one pizza each. And then we'll go and get some Thai food at a restaurant. And that usually with a beer each included, it's about 250, 300 baht for, you know, 2 meals and 2 beers and sometimes even a starter. So that's pretty good. We got some good videos also about Thai food. You can really go for cheap Thai food. Like you can even pay like 30 baht for an omelette on rice. And it's a decent meal, it fills you up. You can also go for things like meat on a stick, 10 baht. Sticky rice, 5 baht. You know, get 2 of those and the rice and that brings you to 25 baht for a meal, for a normal person. For me, that would be a snack. We get lunch at our schools, so we don't have to worry about lunch, except for weekends, of course. And then I make us breakfast and dinner, delicious wraps, or rice and chicken and veggies and all kinds of goodness. So the salaries for teachers, of course, we're teachers, is about 35,000 baht, which is $1,000, and it goes up to like 70-ish thousand baht if you have a degree, which you need for work permit. And then if you have a teaching degree, you can get a job at an international school and earn like $3,000 and up even. Sometimes it's housing included as well.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep! It's like Mario Kart.
Because beautiful air day.
This green melon. This orange melon. Our couch is very uncomfortable. One day we will get a very comfortable couch because now we've lived in 2 apartments that have very uncomfortable couches.
Yeah. Back to the gym.